In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button to your Mailchimp newsletter in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Mailchimp or looking to refine your skills, this easy to follow guide will help you enhance your newsletters with engaging buttons that can direct your audience exactly where you want them to go. Let's dive right into it. To get started, you'll need to head over to Mailchimp. If you haven't done so already, sign up for a new account or simply log in if you already have one. Once you're in, focus on crafting your newsletter's design. If you have a template in mind or if you're starting from scratch, you'll find this process fairly straightforward with Mailchimp's intuitive tools. Navigate to the campaigns section of your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Click on Create Campaign to get started on a new email campaign. Next, select email as your campaign type. Mailchimp gives you several options here, but for the purpose of this guide, we're going to choose regular email. This is typically the go-to option for creating standard newsletters. Now let's bring your email design to life. Mailchimp provides a variety of tools to customize your content, allowing you to add images, text, and much more. Once you've got your basic layout in place, it's time to personalize your email. Customize your email content to suit your audience and the message you want to convey. Now onto the main task, adding a button to your email. This feature can be incredibly useful to encourage readers to visit your website, complete a purchase, or read more of your content. Start by clicking the plus button on the content editor screen to add a content block. From the available options, select Button. With the button block selected, you'll want to drag and drop it into the desired location within your email layout. This might be at the bottom of your newsletter for a call to action or near featured content that you're highlighting. The flexibility here means you can place it just about anywhere to maximize its visibility and impact. Once your button block is in place, it's time to customize it. In the Content tab, type in the text you want to appear on your button. This might be something action-oriented like Learn More or Shop Now. Below that, find the Link To drop-down and select Web Address. Here you'll input the URL where you want users to be directed when they click the button. Finally, you can style your button just how you want it. Use the editing toolbar to customize your font, decide on text size, and play around with text formatting options. Ensure that your alignment, shape, size, borders, colors, and padding preferences align with the aesthetic of your brand and the overall design of the email. Once you're happy with how everything looks, remember to click Save and Close or Save to ensure all your changes are locked in. And there you have it, you've successfully added a functional button to your Mailchimp newsletter, ready to engage your audience. With these simple steps, you can enhance your newsletters with interactive elements that make your content more dynamic and effective. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy emailing.